Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your skg.jpg and I'm here to give you a first look at the Air Max Scorpions that are releasing tomorrow on the sneakers app. It's a brand new silhouette. Shout out the guys over at Footpatrol for gifting me this pair and also for taking me for indoor skydiving. We had a sick little day. I'm going to insert some clips here. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the box is one of the non-label recycled boxes that Nike are now using. They aren't gonna double box shoes when they ship them out, just for waste purposes. Also recycled paper. This is what it looks like. So it's basically the flight knit material, chenille material, and this is the colorway lemon wash. So as you can see, it's got yellow accents on the shoe through the air bubble, like through the air units, which is really cool. As you can see, I have worn these. I actually wore them to work today because I wanted to give you guys a proper review and the comfort, because the reason that they made this silhouette, or one big reason, is the comfort. So after wearing them for 8 hours, I will say I think you have to go half a size up. I went true to size on these, so I'm a 6.5, but I think that I should have maybe got a 7 because they're just a tad snug. I don't know if that's going to change with wear, but yeah, unfortunately my feet did start to hurt because I'm so used to wearing Jordan 1s and Air Maxes and stuff like that. I feel like this sole bubble is just taking my foot a bit to get used to. Like, I can really feel the air unit. So my overall thoughts are, for the price point, which is $225, I think that you could probably get another pair that would be much more comfortable for you, but at the same time I think that this is also one of those pairs that's just going to take some getting used to in the market, and for sneakerheads, because it's a whole new air unit. But if you are a big fan of Vapor Maxes, I'm sure you will like these. And also the colorway really reminds me of like Stussy Fossil pairs that have been coming out recently. But I would advise go up half size. It'll probably make them more comfortable for you. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. And once again, thank you to Footpatrol and Nike London for the early pair. Bye guys.